Just like everything in life, all roller coasters have an expiration date. The two most memorable dates of a coaster are the first day, and if you're lucky, the last. I say lucky because sometimes we never get that chance for a last ride. It's open one day and closed the next, only to be dropped to the ground without warning. So why is Kings Island removing this historic coaster? I'm not real sure, but all we can do is look at the information at hand to make the best prediction possible. And one thing we do know is Kings Island ain't playing around no more. In 14 we got the invert, 17 Mystic, 19 was a throwback family attraction to past times. In 2020 we get the Giga. And I think it's safe to say that plot of land that Vortex sits on is way too prime not to feature a great future attraction, even if the park has no plans at the moment. It's never fun when a park announces a coaster will close, but the second we get the first hint that a new one is being prepared to take its place, the excitement goes through the roof. So let's just be thankful that over the last year, Kings Island gave us plenty of time to get in those last rides.